Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the most practical everyday items so you can spend your money smart. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Ezpass Tag Velcro Holder you can get right now, the Juminiz Ezpass mounting strips. So let's set the scene. You're cruising down the highway, approaching the toll booth, and suddenly your transponder isn't reading right. You tap it, adjust it, still nothing. Or worse, it falls right off your windshield. Annoying, right? That's where the Juminiz 8-piece Ezpass mounting strip set comes in to save the day. Now, let's talk first impressions. Out of the package, you're looking at 4 complete sets, which is 8 individual strips. Each strip measures 0.5 by 1.5 inches and is made from a strong, clear acrylic-based material that's built to withstand both heat and cold. Perfect for windshield mounting whether you're in scorching Arizona or chilly Illinois. The key to this product is its double-sided adhesive with interlocking fasteners. That's the real game changer. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this setup uses a mushroom-shaped interlocking system. When you press the two halves together, they snap in place with a satisfying click, giving you instant confidence that your transponder is locked in and ready to go. And when you do need to remove it, maybe to transfer it to another car or clean the glass, it pulls apart smoothly without leaving any gunky residue. Installation couldn't be easier. Peel the adhesive backing, press one side onto your windshield and the other onto the back of your Ezpass, SunPass, iPass, or any other toll transponder, and you're done. No tools, no waiting. It's literally stick and go. One of the standout features is compatibility. This product works with almost every major toll collection system out there. Ezpass Old and New, FastTrack, iPass Illinois, SunPass, 407 ETR, Quick Pass, and even PrePass. So whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional road tripper, you're covered. And yes, it's secure. These strips hold firm while you're speeding down the freeway, even on bumpy roads. No shaking, no falling. And most importantly, no interference with the toll signal. Your pass gets read instantly and reliably every time. Durability is another plus. These aren't just meant for one-time use. They hold up to sun exposure, cold weather, and repeated removals. You're getting multiple sets, which means you can set them up in different vehicles or keep spares for later. And just in case something goes wrong, Juminiz offers a 24-month hassle-free warranty, so you can install with peace of mind. To wrap it up, the Juminiz Ezpass mounting strips are a small upgrade that delivers big value. Clean design, solid grip, easy installation, and multi-system compatibility make this a no-brainer for anyone using a windshield-mounted toll transponder. So if you've been dealing with falling tags or weak adhesive strips, this is your fix. Check it out for yourself. Links in the description. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart reviews. Until next time, keep your gadgets tight and your rides smooth. See you on the next one.